This video takes you through 18 of the latest wardrobe designs for bedrooms. From sliding doors and mirrored almirahs to inbuilt cupboards and walk-in wardrobes. This is your one-stop destination for wardrobe inspiration. 1. Fitted wardrobe design in a deep and bold color. If there is any color in this bedroom, it is on the sturdy wardrobe. Beside this, we love the fitted floor-to-ceiling design, as well as the clean and well-defined compartments. So what do you think? 2. Black wardrobe design with dark reflective glass. Since we are on the subject of bedroom wardrobe colors, we are also crushing on this all black piece with dark reflective glass to boot. Isn't it amazing that a unique wardrobe design like this stands so beautifully in an Indian bedroom setup? We definitely think so. 3. Wooden wardrobe design with a chevron pattern. For that contemporary chevron pattern that works beautifully in modern apartments, wood is a material gives you the option of self-design, and you can choose between different patterns and grain to amp up the look of a simple wooden cupboard. We also love how a simple drawer platform with a stylish mirror of company fits into that niche to function as a dresser. 4. All mirror almirah with long pull handles. For the out-and-out mirror finish that has been given to this wardrobe, what else? Well, if you don't need a dresser in this room, and the space seems larger thanks to the mirrors. Besides, that one classy wardrobe idea if you're looking to infuse some luxe appeal into your room. 5. Almirah with a single full-length mirror. If you don't want an out-and-out mirror design like the previous option, this is one of your best bets. This Owak almirah accommodates a single full-length mirror, so you still don't need a dresser. Isn't it that very stylish and contemporary combination of a wood and mirror? 6. White cupboard with mirrored lattice work. It's funky, yet elegant, simple, yet detailed. Such a wardrobe design works as much for your little girl's bedroom as it goes for your room, only that the design of the rest of the room needs to be worked out accordingly. 7. Full wall wardrobe design. For its minimal and unassuming design. This is why you can create an ample storage without allowing the cupboard to overpower the rest of the room. So, not only this is a smart design idea, but it also an aesthetic one, thanks to the light wooden grains and the piping golden along the doors. 8. Wall almirah design around a window. Don't want to waste an entire wall on your cupboards when you could use it as an accent wall instead? Well, you don't have to. This cupboard design has been constructed around a window, which makes it one of our favorites. What's more, they threw a window seat too. Just perfect. 9. Glossy modular wardrobe with an inbuilt dressing table. In most cases, we worry about aligning all the elements in a room so that the room looks elegant. However, this design brings the cupboard and the dressing table together in a cohesive manner, with the help of a single attractive color and a glossy finish. Having an inbuilt dressing table not only adds more function to an almirah, but it also works best with a small room, where the floor space is precious and limited. 10. Almirah with an attached dressing table. If you want to go in for smaller cupboards in your bedroom, a design like this, where the dressing table is attached to the larger formwork, is a functional and creative option. The key to making this design work is to opt for a decorative pattern on the cupboard and match it with the knobs or handles of the dressing table. 11. White wardrobe doors with black trimming. To introduce you to the idea of fun cupboards, the designer have painted the doors of this simple almirah stark white and complemented these with thin and black, box-shaped trimmings. This design has been replicated on the window seat, so that the unique design of the cupboard blends in with the rest of the room. 12. Almirahs with laminate doors and abstract designs. Either you can go for a glossy look without any adornments, or you can choose to add abstract designs to your colored and laminate doors. In this case, the designer brings cohesiveness to the room by matching the furnishings with the design on. Speak to your contractor or wardrobe designer for help with additional designs and ideas. 13. Wooden wardrobe doors with glass inserts. There is no reason why your wardrobe cannot be the focal point of attraction in the room. And this door design with round glass inserts ensures the same. Plus, it's a nice way to merge two different materials, isn't it? 14. Built-in cupboards with bold doors designs. For the offbeat stencil paint design that adds some quirk to this otherwise dark bedroom. If you don't want to give your walls or furniture much of makeover, it's a wonderful idea to go bold with your cupboard instead. 15. Vintage-looking almirah with digitally printed panels. For the digitally printed glass panels that gives these cupboards its vintage chic vibes. The shade of wood has been kept light and almost a pinkish brown to blend with the elegant, subtle appearance of the room. 16. Light shaded and single colored almirah. For the clean and seamless vibe that this light color wardrobe gives the small bedroom. If you're also looking for almirah designs for small rooms, it's the best to go with a single color that blends in with the walls around. 17. Fitted wardrobes with sliding doors. A sliding door design like this is ideal for a small room and saves space, unlike cupboards with hinged doors. What else do we love? While one door are retained its original wooden look, The other has been